Science and Daring B2 paper first. You see about the theories of milk secretion, at about 5 theories of milk secretion, and today we see about synthesis of milk constituents in the udder. Question on that topic may be asked: state milk constituents of milk and how these milk constituents synthesis in udder. The milk constituents add about 7 milk constituents which is synthesized in the secreting cells of the udder. Milk constituents given as below. First one, milk proteins. Second, milk fat. Third, milk minerals. Fourth, milk vitamins. Fifth, carbohydrates. Sixth, non-protein nitrogenous compound, and 7, flavoring compound. These are the milk constituents which is synthesized in the udder. The detail about milk constituents. Number first, milk proteins. Milk proteins appear to be result partly from synthesis and partly from filtration. Casein and albumin are not present in blood and must be therefore by synthesized from the blood protein. Lactalbumin is synthesized from the glycoprotein of the blood. When mammary glands functioning normal, glycoprotein breaks into glucose and proteins. These proteins is used for synthesis of casein and lactalbumin. Globulin of milk appears to be synthesis to blood globulin and diffuse from blood. Second, fat. Milk fat is formed from the constituents of the feed, that is fat and carbohydrates. Usually the fat present in food appears unchanged in milk. Blood lipids is main source of milk fat. Blood lipid is main source of milk fat. There are 3 types of blood lipids. Number first, neutral fat. Number second, phospholipids. Number third, cholesterol. The small amount of cholesterol comes directly in a milk from blood. Then number third, minerals. The mineral matter of the milk comes directly from the blood plasma. Calcium is absorbed by casein in the mammary gland, forming calcium caseinate. Then number 4, milk constituents, vitamins. Vitamins are directly absorbed from the blood stream into milk without undergoing any change. Their amount of milk depends upon the vitamin content of feed. When cow is fed with more green fodder, it increases carotene content of milk and thus vitamin A in a milk. Carbohydrates. Lactose or milk sugar is not found in a blood. It appears to be synthesized from the glycogen in the secreting cells of the gland. Non-protein nitrogenous compound. The product like urea, crealine, uric acid, ammonia, etc. are present in milk as a filtered product. And number 6 milk constituent, that is the flavoring compound. Flavoring compound from the feed passes from blood to milk without any change.